Let me warn people. Let me warn you know. Wanna be careful too. Wanna be careful. Be careful of the taxi man them will pretend say they are taxi man, but they are not taxi man. I almost get kidnapped today in a one taxi on the road. Normally, when this happen to person and them get where, them always say one lady always there on the front seat, and that's what happened. Because when I went in the taxi today, taxi man said to me, say, I first hear see one taxi like this, and me I say, oh yeah man. I'm say if I in a Spanish town me I go, me say yes, cause a Spanish town me I go. So him tell me say man take the bypass. Me say me nah go the side there. After me see man crack the back window on film side and crack my window. But how him crack the window, if something happen, me can't go through your window. You see after a man crack your window, me start feel dizzy, me smell one scent, one something a black me out. And I may not know, it's like when I go in a car, it's like the spirit of God has said to me, say something wrong. Me feel uncomfortable. People of God, share this video. Be careful. You better only take bus sometimes than take taxi. Because some of them taxi man are on business for people organ. Yes, human trafficking. You know, be careful people. This happened to me today. Today happened to me today. And me start blackout. One thump me thumpy glass. And say, yo, let me out. But I spirit of God lift up a standard in me. I never me do that, you know. God do that through me, you know, people of God. That's why it's so important to pray before you leave on the yard. And when me come out of the car, me go over one bar, go sit down, and me still feel dizzy like it's something on my nose. And I saw me did it till me feel better. Yes. And the car speed off. Normally, if nothing ever wrong, the man would have come out and cuss and say, yo, when my car thump me glass. And why problem? You mad? None of that then speed off because they know what they do. So when you see one taxi and I first see, don't go in it. Take who you used to, who you know say a regular taxi man from day one. Or you take one bus. Because a whole heap of things are going on in the world. Yeah. People share the video yeah, because it will help a lot of people. Be careful. The taxi, one white taxi, and he have a whole heap of number. Like you know them taxi that I call white people that take figure a chip and him something there. Yes. And the taxi man kind of clear skin and him kind of fattish. Yes, but me not take the license plate. I want girl up on the front. Them know exactly what them a do. All of them know exactly what them a do. Trust me.